शुक्रारा रायबंदरा आशिल्लो डेल्टिन कारावेला कसिनो पणजे व्हेला। रायबंदरा हो कसिनो नाका म्हण रायबंदरच्या लोकांनी एकठांय येवन सरकाराक हो कसिनो काडपाची शिटकावणी दिल्ली। लोकांची मागणी आयकून सरकारान डेल्टिन कारावेला कसिनो रायबंदरच्यान हालिलो म्हण ॲडव्होकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिगीस हांणी राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हा, मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकार, आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार, आमदार रोहन खंवटे, आमदार पांडुरंग मडकयकार आणि नगरसेवक रुपेश हळणकार हांचे उपकार मानल्यात। तशेंच जयदेवी मोदी हांणी FC गोवा पंगड घेतिल्लो आसून गोंयकारांनी ताजेर बहिष्कार घालचो अशी मागणी तांणी ह्या वेळार केल्या। RDS गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली।
The residents of Ribandar are today relieved that the casino Deltin Caravella, which was anchored at Ribandar, has finally today been removed from Ribandar. We are very thankful to the Governor of Goa, Mrudul Sinha, Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, MLAs Rohan Kaunte, Pandurang Madkaikar and Siddharth Kokoldkar, and also our local corporator Rupesh Halankar for all their intervention in this matter. We are also very thankful to the Captain of Ports James Braganza and his team for all the assistance in on the issue. While we are also thankful to the residents of all the neighboring villages which showed all their support on the issue. I have to commend the people of Ribandar for having stood unitedly on this issue in opposing the casino, which was an environmental hazard to the locality besides being a nuisance to the local fishermen. Football team FC Goa has been taken over by Jaydev Modi, the casino tycoon whose treacherous casinos have done irreparable damage to the state of Goa. I think it is high time the people of Goa boycott FC Goa as long as this football team is in the devious captivity of Jaydev Modi. So I hope the people of Goa realize the harm these casinos have been doing and will be doing to the state of Goa. Jaydev Modi is here in Goa with devious means, and now after having so many casinos in Goa, he has bought the FC Goa team and ultimately may buy the whole of Goa. So the people of Goa need to be cautious and keep this man at bay. So it is high time the people of Goa unite and boycott FC Goa as long as this team is under the control of Jaydev Modi.
आता घेऊया आणि एक व्यावसायिक विसव।